Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to fix the Nexus 6P boot loop. Um, First thing you want to do to get this in pretty big part of it. We use the heater for this. You can use a blow dryer. What you want to do is you want to heat your Nexus up for around 2 minutes or so, 3 to 5 minutes, as long as it takes for it to temporarily turn on. So that's what we're doing. Anyways, when it turns on, as you can see here, you just want to wait and it will turn on successfully since you are heating it up. When it turns on, what you want to do is you want to go into there, go into your settings, scroll all the way down to about device. And when you go into about device, hit the build number a few times and then go into developer options. Once you've gone into developer options, you see an option saying OEM unlock. You have to enable that. That is the most essential part of this. Anyways, once you're done with that, all you need to do is connect your phone to your computer, obviously after you go to the bootloader. Now that we're onto our computer, we downloaded uh, all these files. So we found that from we got the files from that website, and we just yeah. So here, as you can see, we're going onto the website right now, and all the way down here, the first thing you want to download, if you do not have it, this is so important, guys. You have to download the ADB. Um, you have to download it. Like that is so important. Uh, if you do not have the USB drivers, you can download them too. After that, what you want to install is you want to do the first end image, right? And you want to download that first out of all of them after the ADB and the USB drivers. So once you go in there, you download that, right? Uh, so you go in there, you download it, the M2G image, right? You save it. What you want to do is you want to go back to the website and you want to download the TWRP if you do want a little better performance with the EX kernel. Now what this basically does is the 4-core image, it shuts off, there's 8 cores in the 6P phone, so it shuts off 4 of them and allows you to not have the phone looping while using 4 of the cores in your phone. We have downloaded the AX1, the TWRP, and next we are going to download the EX file. I forgot. But anyways, yeah. So what it basically does is it allows you to use 4 of your cores, but disable the rest of them, right? Which is the other 4. So it does slow down your speed, but you can use your phone without boot looping, so that is a good part. Now we saved all our files into the N6P folder that we created into our local C disk, and we created that right there. You can name your folder whatever you want. We had a CMD prompt there. Now, yeah. So what you want to do is open up a command prompt there. And that you wanna, you know, find the directory that's there. Um, and then you want to go find the directory. And basically, what this does is allows us to, do all the stuff that we need to do without having any errors. Now, the first command we're gonna need to write is fastboot devices, right? Which is gonna allow us to see if the computer recognizes the device. Now, if it doesn't, right, then either move this folder into your ADB folder or move your ADB folder into this folder, alright? And then proceed to do the step. Now, what you want to do next, the next command you want to write is fastboot flashing unlock. Now what this basically does is allows you to unlock your phone and do the next steps, which will help you to stop your phone from boot loop. Now mine says that it failed, right, because mine is already unlocked. But if yours isn't unlocked, all you need to do is press the volume up button when the message displays on your phone, and press the power button to press yes. After you've done that, your phone will be unlocked just like mine. The next command you want to write is fastboot flash boot, and then you want to write the name of your N2G image, like the whole thing, just like we did right there. And you want to write that into your command prompt, and you want to hit enter. So what that basically does is it replaces your bad image with the new 4-core image, which allows to like stop the boot loop. After did After this, what we did was optional, which was a TWRP, right? We did that to like use the EX kernel. Again, you do not have to use the EX kernel. That is completely up to you. But we decided to use it. If you want to use the TWRP, the command for that is very simple. Also, it's fastboot, flashing, unlock, and then you have to write the whole name of the TWRP file, and then hit enter. And after you hit enter, that will replace your recovery system, but it is also better and will allow you to flash the EX kernel. After this, what you want to write, your next command should be fastboot reboot. What that does is it basically reboots your phone, right? Now, as you can see, we're back into my phone. We're at the bootloader. Sorry, I forgot to hit enter, but once you basically hit enter, this is what will happen to your phone. It will reboot right there, and your phone should start back up. Um, it will take a little while, show the Google screen, and then it will go to those round balls, I guess you could say. And then yeah, you should be back at your home screen. And if you want to factory data reset it, that's all the way up to you. And yeah, thanks for watching your video, and thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys actually got help from this, and I hope your phone does work. I know boot looping can be very annoying, and I hate that it happens with like many Nexus phones or many LG phones, or even in this case Huawei phones. But I hope that this works out very well for you guys, and I hope you can just use your phone again. Again, this is a permanent fix. Um, this isn't one of those temporary fixes where it just you know does the job for maybe a few days and then quits on you again. No, this is a permanent fix. It allows you to use your phone. For me, it has worked out very well. I can actually play games and stuff. Texting isn't it isn't really slow. Yes, it isn't as fast as it was before, but it isn't that bad either. So, like I said again, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see, it is right there. It is turning on. There we go. That's my home screen. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, and bye.